Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Companion. I'm Eliza, and honestly, I'm really happy you're here today. If you completed yesterday's shadowing practice, give yourself a little pat on the back. Seriously, most people want to improve their English. Very few actually sit down and practice. But you're here. That means you're already making progress.
Now, let me ask you something.
Have you ever understood English perfectly while watching a video, but when it was your turn to speak, your mind suddenly went blank? It happens to almost everyone. And that's exactly why we're doing shadowing. Today, we're going to practice conversations that real people use every day. Nothing fancy. Nothing difficult. Just simple English you can start using immediately. So grab your tea, your coffee, or maybe just relax wherever you are. Let's practice together. Topic: meeting someone for the first time. Alright, let's imagine something together. Suppose you're at a new college, a new workplace, or maybe you're traveling somewhere. You're sitting quietly, and suddenly someone walks up to you with a smile. What happens next? Usually, a simple conversation starts. Let's practice that conversation together. Listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Hi, my name is Sarah. Now again, but a little more naturally. Hi, my name is Sarah.
Perfect.
Now Sarah asks, "What's your name?" You can answer with your own name. For example, "My name is Rahul," or whatever your name is. Excellent. Now Sarah says, "Nice to meet you." Repeat. Nice to meet you. Wonderful. And you can reply, "Nice to meet you too." Very good. Let's continue the conversation. Sarah asks, "Where are you from?" Maybe you're from India. You could say, "I'm from India." Again, "I'm from India." Excellent. Now Sarah is curious. Sarah asks, "What do you do?" Maybe you're a student. You can say, "I'm a student." Or perhaps, "I work in an office. I'm learning English." Fantastic. And now Sarah smiles and says, "That's great." You reply, "Thank you." Now, let's put the whole conversation together. Listen and shadow me. Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name? My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from India. What do you do? I'm a student. That's great. Thank you. See how easy that was? That's a real conversation. Nothing difficult. Just simple English that people use every day. And the more you shadow conversations like this, the more naturally English will come out of your mouth. So don't worry about being perfect.
Just focus on speaking.
One sentence at a time. That's how confidence grows. And trust me, you're doing much better then. Can I tell you a little secret? Most fluent English speakers weren't born fluent. They practiced. They made mistakes. Sometimes they felt embarrassed. Sometimes they forgot words. But they kept speaking. And that's the difference. Not talent. Not intelligence. Practice. If you can spend just approximate 10 minutes a day with me, you'll be surprised how much your English changes over the next few months. Before we finish, I want you to remember one thing. Don't compare yourself to fluent speakers. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. If you learned one new sentence today, if you spoke one sentence more confidently today, that's progress. And progress is what matters. Thank you for spending these 15 minutes with me. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of our English shadowing challenge. Bye for now.